Here is how to post in Fancy FYP. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can post in Fancy FYP or For You page. So let's start. First of all, go to fancy.com and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now while talking about posting in FYP, there is no such a thing as a different upload feature. You can simply head on to the normal creator tab and then try to upload a photo or video. However, there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind if you want your post shown in the For You page. The first thing that you need to ensure is that if your timeline is locked that only your followers can see it, you will have to add hashtag FYP on the post that you want to appear on the FYP page. If you don't add the hashtag and if your page is restricted to followers only, then your post won't appear on the FYP section. Then after, the second thing that you want to ensure is that all of your locked media have some free preview sets. For example, if you are uploading 3 locked videos, make sure you have a free preview set which can be a teaser video or a single picture. Make sure at least one of them is freely watchable. So follow these 2 steps and your post will appear on the FYP page. So in this way you can post in Fancy FYP. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.